Hi friends, let me show you this new gaming chair that I received for viewing purposes. It's a great chair. It has speakers, it has a massage bag, and it has some lights. So let's put it together. This is the installation user manual and all the information you need to put it together. So now we are going to connect it. You can use these extra cushions for your head and your back if you want to install them or not. You can keep them. Okay, so it is on. Okay, with the remote, you can change the color. Perfect. To meet the way you like your gaming experience, and you can have it changing the colors, okay? Brighter or less bright, okay? Even white. Perfect. We want to try it in the night, in a darker ambience to see how it looks. And the massage option. Okay? So it makes this one vibrate, okay? So you can put it in your lower back. Okay, that's great. And when you want to rest a little bit more, leg rest like that. Perfect. Really nice chair. Thank you. We are now going to use our chair for our video game session, okay? We're going to connect both USB cables, the one for the chair and the one for the back massage unit, okay? Perfect. You can see, really nice. You can use your remote, so you can change it to the colors you like, or the, different options of LED lights changing, okay? So, it's a nice option. So if you are on a webcam, your friends can see your chair really, really great. And we are going to turn on the massage option here in my back. Very good. Now, we are going to connect the Bluetooth to be able to hear our music. You choose the Hua box and it is connected. So if you want to hear some music when you are playing, I'm going to just put some generic music. You see, the music is in my chair. So now I can play. And when you want to have a little rest, you can put out the legs rest and so this is a great chair if you want to play some video games, if you want to rest in your office, if you want to use it to work, to have fun, to hear your music. It's a great option. Thank you.